New NFT weekly wrap-up video. First of all, I actually missed this last week. Don't know how I missed this, but anyway, Futureverse have launched the Root Network. So we are currently in phase 1, which is alpha, and this is where they're kind of testing the infrastructure. The first test that they did was the Next Legends mint, and there's also going to be another test in here where if you hold a Next Legends NFT, you can actually bridge it across to the Root Network. Then in November, they're hoping to move to phase 2, which they're calling the beta phase. In phase 2, the full infrastructure and source code will be made public, and they're hoping to start onboarding some partners and apps and users at this point too. So if you want to know more about this, check out the Futureverse website. They have a page on the Root Network. The Next Legends has minted out and begun revealing, so at the moment it is just the pro boxes revealing, and these will be revealing until the 11th of October, 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. I think that's what PDT stands for. And after this, I think the team said in the second half of October, the gym bag rarities will be coming out. And then at some stage after that, they said it might take a little bit to get the accessories in order, but then you'll be able to, I assume it might be like the Altered State Machine Genesis boxes where you actually kind of like, you open up the box and then you mint a whole bunch of NFTs inside it. So maybe it'll be the same for that. Maybe you unzip your gym bag and reveal the accessories inside. So that'll be exciting when that happens. Another announcement this week on the Next Legends was from Seekers. So if you have a Seeker with boxing gloves in the Seeker's backpack, then you will have maybe received, or maybe it's still coming in the next day or two, either a Pro Boxer or a Gym Bag NFT airdrop. So that's pretty exciting. ATEM Car Club had 2 announcements this week. I can't remember which AMA they tried to interrupt. It was either the Futureverse Root Network one or the Next Legends one. And ATEM announced, first of all, that Julia Landor, who's a NASCAR driver, they're partnering with her. And also they teased some images where it looks like the Next Legends boxing ring is actually inside an ATEM Car Club garage. So that's cool. There's obviously going to be a bit of a partnership or collab in there between the two. Also, if you haven't seen this, in the Next Legends AMA that they did this week, this is actually on their YouTube channel, they shared a whole bunch of behind the scenes video and drawings, designs going through like right from the start, which was real interesting to see. Also shared in this AMA and on Twitter was from Jesse Metcalf, who posted a boxer in AR in his living room shadowboxing, and then he went outside and in AR was a full boxing ring in his backyard with 2 boxes inside it. So that's pretty cool to see that the assets are already ready for AR. OpenSea announced this week that bulk listing and bulk buying are now available. So you can list or buy up to 30 NFTs in one transaction now, which is cool that they've finally added this. Gem and some of the other marketplaces have had this for a while now, but cool that they've done this now anyway. They also made another change around decimals on listing prices, so you might have seen some extra decimals appear and then disappear and come back again while they were just tweaking what they thought that should look like. Probably Nothing is a monthly update from FluffWorld. The first one of these came out this week. This is a great way to have some insight into what's going on in FluffWorld and the ecosystem, what the team are working on and what's coming up. So that's a great refresher. If you're not sure where a certain project is at, the answer is probably in the Probably Nothing update. Looking forward to seeing the next one in November. Cultivate announced their driver helmet NFT mint date, which is the 21st of October. The price of these are 0.05 ETH, and you need to have a source vial to mint these. If you check out in their Discord as well, they've just been posting over the week all the different traits that these helmets can have. They're quite cool. If you look on their Twitter, you can see a bunch of videos of the guys, and I mean, it looks like they're wearing a physical helmet, but it's actually just a filter, and you can play and they can make the visor come up and down, and they can make it change color and stuff like that. If you are a We Are Hume Genesis NFT holder, they have opened up the Spot. So this is a website where you can go in and you can listen to 2 of Angel Baby's songs, and then you get to vote on which one you think should be released next. So yeah, worth checking that out. Went on before and had a listen to the songs and picked one and voted for it. Blocktone's NFTs revealed this week. They had some issues with OpenSea. OpenSea take forever for their metadata to update, but anyway, we got there in the end. They had a bit of a reveal party with a live stream radio on YouTube and a Spaces as well. So if you haven't already, go and check out your Blocktone if you've got one of those. Blocktone's also announced this week that you can go onto Magic Eden, another marketplace, and you can now buy Blocktones with Solana if you want to. Alright, that's all I've got this week. We'll see you next time.